Introduction. The game teaching and learning approach is an innovative approach in the 21st century educational era. In physics, students have to memorize theories, formulas, principles, and everything in between. A metric prefix or SI prefix is a unit prefix that precedes a basic unit of measure to indicate a decadic, multiple, or fraction of the unit. Each prefix has a unique symbol that is appended to the unit symbol. P-Card Game is a digital game developed and designed to integrate games and concepts of physics digitally to help Generation Z students improve their mastery in physics concept and improve teaching approaches and strategies. These mobile applications very helpful in sustainability of innovation in the new normal. According to Posnick-Goodwin, Generation Z, this is based on digital native that is always stimulated to try something new, like to learn creatively, interactively, fun, and think outside the box in line with technological developments. The results show that most students are very interested in using games in their learning. This is due to the interactive game, interesting design features, and information concept that students are interested in. Issues. Students have problem to study physics because many formulas, symbols, principles, and facts to remember when solving physics problems questioned in exams. Students are less passionate to study physics, and it is because physics learning methods nowadays are traditionally boring and not student-centered. Problem statement. Difficulty remembering symbols, values, and factors as SI prefixes in time with a boring traditional method of memorizing. Students' mistake of changing SI prefixes values when solving physics problems because they cannot distinguish values and symbols correctly. Fail to remember the SI prefixes series affects student performance in solving physics problems. P-Card Game, Internet of Things, physics content, knowledge, mobile application, game concept.
Objective: to design and develop P-Card Game pedagogical innovation, which is the digital game that integrates SI prefixes facts in card games. To help students improve their mastery of the content of physics concepts in a playing way and mobile application. To minimizing student mistakes in solving physics problems through digital gamification, teaching approaches, and using mobile learning strategies. Novelty P-Card Game Instruction. The goal of the game is to arrange all the cards in descending order from the smallest value to the largest value. These cards should be arranged according to the same law. At the bottom, there are 7 slots that serve as a transition place before this card is arranged in the 4 boxes above. In this transition, this card needs to be arranged large to small. These cards should be arranged alternately in color black and red. These are 3 buttons, namely Guide, Reset, and Quit. There are 13 cards for each card symbol. These are 4 sets of different card symbols on the card. Novelty, heads-up display interface. Inventiveness, creating fun learning and maintaining student motivation to keep playing to achieve game goals. At the same time, students try to remember SI prefixes. Improve mastery of physics concept content and minimize errors in solving physics problems. Improving the latest teaching approaches and strategies in line with 21st century learning. Benefit of P-Card Game, innovation in online teaching and learning. Contribution, stimulate various student intelligence and increase student motivation to learning physics while playing. Can be used for self-accessed learning at all times and any place. Lastly, more interesting with a relaxing music background to maintain students' interest in playing and learning the concept of physics by gamification. Commercialization potential. Download P-Card game from Google Play Store. In conclusion, these innovations benefit students to maintain motivation in learning physics because the inner elements in the game encourage students to achieve the goal of the game until the end. P-Card game increase student engagement in learning physics. The use of P-Card game digital games is in line with MOE's wishes in the STEM education initiative in Malaysia and is in line with the instinctual phenomenon of students who like to play games.